What an incredible year it's been at Excel Church. Together we've seen God move in amazing ways. Here's a look back at all He's done in the last 12 months. Every week lives were impacted through 180 Youth, G-Force Kids Club, Noah's Ark Stay and Play, Welcome Brew, Companions, Next Level, Kingdom Kids, Food Bank, Connect Groups, and our Sunday services. Through Mission 25, we've taken the gospel beyond our walls. From Bilston, to Kendal, Rugby, and even into Europe and Africa. Together we are reaching the world with the love of Jesus. We've seen lives changed. God has been faithful. Every story, every moment, every life. All for His glory. Let's continue to build His kingdom together. As we look to 2026, we believe the best is yet to come.